Hello, my name is Tom Trevarben and I am Head of English and Modern Foreign Languages here at Ysgol Henry Richard. Students in Year 7 to 11 are taught English by myself and by Heather Griffiths, with 2 classes in each year group. Students are taught French by Ruth Evers-Thomas. Ysgol Henry Richard is a positive, collaborative and nurturing environment, and in the faculty those values are very important to us. We believe that preparing students to be citizens of Wales means encouraging fluent use of Welsh and English every day, and that learning a third language, French, helps to prepare us to be citizens of the world.
Year 7 students will start their English lessons of the year by writing their autobiography. We will read Roald Dahl's autobiography together as an example, and we always laugh at what he and his friends get up to. We use these autobiographies as an opportunity to get to know each other, and there's lots of time for asking questions. Year 7 students always know just what question they want to ask. The Year 7 programme of study also includes work on myths and legends, the books Wonder and The Boy in the Striped Pyjamas as well. This gives students a leg up into the world of English literature that will help them to understand cultures close to home and far away, encouraging them to be ethical and informed. By Year 7, some pupils have already had some French lessons in primary school, but the majority have not, so you'll all be roughly at the same starting point. In your Year 7 French lessons, you will learn to describe yourselves, your family, your pets, where you live, and what you like to do in your free time, all in French of course. By the end of Year 7, you'll be able to write a paragraph about yourselves in French and give opinions. C'est magnifique. Ysgol Henry Richard is very much a community-minded school. The more languages you feel comfortable in using, the better equipped you will be to go out into the world and share the benefits of our wonderful culture with others.